the BMC is planning to do in Mumbai, Afrida, to encourage people for better waste disposal and management. The civic body has basically passed a proposal of giving a 15% rebate on property tax to the housing societies that segregate and process waste on their premises. Now, this move will apply to housing societies who will have to follow 3 procedures.
Yes, let's tell you more about that. Now, remember, one of the critical issues of waste management is garbage segregation, something that is not happening effectively in the city. Now, a society will get a 5% rebate for segregating and composting wet waste, another 5% for recycling dry waste, and a further 5% for using rainwater or recycled grey water. Now, these residential societies following just one process will get only 5% rebate, and those meeting all the 3 will get a full 15% rebate.
15% rebate on property tax to housing societies here in the city of Mumbai. That is the proposal now which has been cleared by the BMC after many years. What we understand is the fact that this property tax rebate will be given to housing societies that segregate wet waste on premises, dispose of the dry waste using recyclers, and lastly, rainwater harvesting. In fact, many housing societies have already started doing this, and we are here in one such housing society in Kandivali in the city of Mumbai, where at least 2 processes of segregating wet waste on premises as well as rainwater harvesting is already being done. As you can see, my video journalist Sahil is showing you that this is how the process is being carried out. The society here in concern generates more than 125 to 150 kg of waste every single day.
This has done tremendously good for our society because we are saving on the manure, because you will see that we are generating around 150 kg of wet waste, and which is segregated from all the dry waste, and then it has been it is put for decomposting. This is a shredder. We have 2 shredders, and this is one of the shredder. The wet waste is shredded and then it is put in the drums.
I think being environment conscious is the need of the hour, and that's what, because we said there are so many flats in the society. If each one of us does our part well, I think it's going to really help the environment, especially in a place like Bombay, where the generation of waste is huge and our wastelands are dying out. So that was the idea behind it.
Yes, Sanjana, so important thing is we question the government all the time on their policies and on their taking measures, but somewhere the responsibility of the citizen kicks in matters like this. This is where your patriotism is under question, whether you will do this kind of segregation, which is important with or without penalty. However, what we are seeing is that the BMC has come up with incentives as well to encourage the waste management.
That's right, because, you know, it also has imposed some strict penalties, but it remains to be seen whether people can actually feel that sense of civic responsibility, as we have been discussing, because those housing societies who generate more than 100 kgs of waste and do not follow these waste management procedures, their power and water supply will be disconnected. They will be fined 10,000 rupees along with a 3-year jail term for the society's committee members. So the BMC definitely talking tough, and unfortunately it really has come to this now that they have to implement such strict measures.
To keep a check on the housing society, there will be surprise inspections which will be conducted by the BMC, and if at all, if there is any violation that takes place inside the housing society, then they can be even fined or penalized up to 10,000 rupees. With video journalist Sahil, this is Disha Shah reporting here from Mumbai for Mirror Now.